welcome back to OSB Miniature Studio, and hopefully you found your way here because you've watched my kit bashing tutorial on how I convert Stormcast Sequiturs into RUBRIC Marines, and you're curious to see how that Armies on Parade army turned out. Now this is my Thousand Sons Armies on Parade entry from 2022, and I've finally finished it, and I thought it'd just be fun to shoot some B-roll footage of it, showcasing the armies with some animated backgrounds, and maybe just do some call outs over the top of the footage to describe the different pieces I've used from various kits to show the kit bashing, because unfortunately I didn't film myself building each and every piece of this army. I know, but if you've ever tried to film yourself when kit bashing, it's not that straightforward. So today I thought we'll go through the units piece by piece. Now bear in mind, I did put this army together in 2022 for a 9th edition army list that then became an Arcs of Omen list and is soon to become a 10th edition army list. And as such, I know that if you took all the units that I show in this video and added them together, it comes to over 2,000 points. I'm aware, but in my defense, I like to have options. You know, I might not take a Leviathan Dreadnought or a HELDRAKE in a battle, who knows? And I love to have lots of options for my demons, and that means I've got way more than 25% of my army as demons of Tzeentch. As I say, on the day, I just see whatever I'm in the mood for, you know. Change is good, as Tzeentch would say. Anyway, also with this army, I am in no way Allspecs Tactics and telling you that this is the most optimised Thousand Sons list out there. It is not. This is just how I like to play. I like to play with lots and lots of troops, moving lots of units, stuff getting blown off the board, things running around, causing chaos, pun intended, and yeah, I like big swingy units like Mutilephs that might be your absolute quarterback, or they might be a water boy, depending on how well they do. Anyway, without further ado, if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving me a like or subscribe, because it brightens my day, and you never know, it could brighten your day too. Go on, click it, try it. And also, if you want to see more content like this, why not seek me out on social media at OSB Miniature Studio, and maybe even share with me some of your Thousand Sons kit bashes. I love seeing all of your work as well as showcasing mine. So without further ado, let's commence with the showcase. Hi guys, many thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. All that's left for me to say this time is you are a wonderful person who is definitely destined for hobby greatness, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Take care.